First of all, let's tackle two different issues here. Calves are a difficult body part to grow as such, and they're also very painful body part to train. So actually, if you realistically sit down and look at your routine, most people do way more work for their upper body than they do for their calves, and then will complain that the calves are not developing. Unfortunately, because the calves are a slow twitch muscle fiber group, they can tolerate a lot of work without taking too much damage. Because of that, you need to do a very high amount of work to get your calves to grow. So after trying many things over the years, since I also have very poor calves, I found the best results by doing 3 sets of 100 calf raises with just standing on a block with body weight 3 times a week. This increased my calf size from 12.5 at the time to 16 inches within a period of 2 to 3 months. So this would be my first suggestion. Once you master this routine, then you can move on to one-legged calf raises off a block and do the one-legged calf raises again 3 times a week for 3 sets of 40 to 50 repetitions per leg. The important thing to remember about calf raises is that you do not need to rest more than 15 to 20 seconds between sets. You can immediately go for the next set because the calves recover within 10 to 15 seconds. The next thing to remember is that it is very important to use a full range of motion in calf training. You have to stretch the calves completely at the bottom, and when you go at the top, you should go as high as you can and until the ankle has locked in place and you feel a cramp in the calf muscle, and even then you should press with the big toe in order to fully engage the calves. Only then the calves are using a full range of motion. This is because the calves have a very high level of endurance in the middle range. So you can do 100 repetitions in the middle range and have no results in the calf, but it is those last 2 millimeters at the end that actually develop the calves properly. The next thing is the development of the upper thighs. So when it comes to quad and hamstring development, the biggest mistake people make is training legs once a week. If your legs are currently small, you should be squatting at least twice a week. You can even squat 3 times a week. Provided you have not done serious squatting before, it is probably beneficial to use the 20 rep squat program, which will bring up your legs in a hurry. So that is basically squatting 3 times a week for one set of 20 with the maximum weight that you can handle. It is important to squat with a rock bottom leg. Basically, the deeper you go, the more leg fibers you use, and it is important to use a high bar position and a vertical position so that all the pressure is on the legs and you're not putting any pressure on the lower back. You can also use Olympic shoes with a heel so that you're sitting more right. So the 20 rep squat program aims to basically use one set to failure, and keep in mind that whatever weight you think you can do for 10 reps currently, you should be able to do for 20 reps within the first week itself. And because you're only doing one set to failure, it is possible to train 3 times a week. This routine should be followed for 6 to 8 weeks, and the goal should be to use at least 100 kilos for one set of 20 in the last workout. If this sounds too intimidating, or you feel like your current strength levels are not high enough in order to support the 20 rep squat program, a good modification of this program is the 10 into 5 program. So 10 into 5 program is pretty simple. You squat twice a week and do 10 sets of 5 repetitions with a reasonably heavy weight. Reasonably heavy weight being 70 to 80% of your max. So if you can squat say 150 kgs for a single repetition, then you should be using 105 to 120 kgs for 10 sets of 5 repetitions. Then every workout, you should aim to increase the average weight used by 2.5 to 5 kgs. So for example, if you started with 105 kgs for 10 sets of 5 in the first workout, by the end of 6 weeks or 8 weeks, you should aim to be squatting around 140 kgs for 10 sets of 5 repetitions. The only other exercise you should do is leg curls and inner thigh and outer thigh work. That's it. Only 3 exercises are sufficient in order to provide complete calf development, complete lower body development, provided you're doing the squat strictly and your thighs are currently less than 25 inches. Once your thighs cross 25-26 inches, then it is beneficial to add other exercises like hack squats, lunges, etc. in order to provide better shape. But first, you need a big foundation of lower body mass.